Welcome back to English Topics for You. This is day 2 of your 30 days English success challenge. Today's topic is the secret to speaking English every day. By the end of this video, you will know exactly why most people fail to become fluent. And more importantly, you will know the simple daily habits that actually work. So stay with me till the end because I am also going to give you a challenge that could completely change your progress. Let me ask you something before we even begin. Have you ever had a perfect English sentence in your head, but the moment you tried to say it out loud, it just disappeared? You know the words, you know the grammar, but somehow your mouth just freezes. If that has ever happened to you, trust me, you are not alone. Thousands of people watching this video right now have felt exactly the same thing. And the good news is, today's video is going to fix that problem, step by step. If this is your first time on the channel, hit that subscribe button right now because every single day we are sharing simple, practical lessons. Lessons that will help you speak English fluently and confidently. No complicated grammar, no boring theory, just real, usable English. And if you haven't watched day 1 yet, pause this video, go check it out first. The link is right there in the description box. And then come back here. Now, before we continue, I want you to do 3 quick things. First, hit the like button. It takes 2 seconds and it helps this video reach more people who need it. Second, if you are serious about this challenge, comment below right now. Day 2 starting. This small step will hold you accountable. And third, turn on the notification bell. Because tomorrow's lesson, day 3, is going to build directly on today's topic. And you don't want to miss it. Alright, now let's get into today's topic. I believe this is one of the most important lessons in this entire challenge. The secret to speaking English every day. Section number 1, the one truth nobody tells you. Here is the first and most important truth you need to understand today. Speaking English is a skill, not knowledge. What does that mean exactly? When you memorize grammar rules or memorize long lists of vocabulary, we are treating English like knowledge. The same way we memorize historical dates or scientific facts for an exam. But speaking is completely different. Speaking is a physical, practical skill, just like riding a bicycle or swimming or playing the guitar. Think about it. You never learned to ride a bicycle by reading a book about bicycles. You learn by sitting on the bicycle, falling down a few times and trying again. The exact same principle applies to speaking English. If you only read grammar books, watch videos and take notes, but you never actually open your mouth and speak, you will never become confident. Your brain will understand English, but your mouth won't know how to produce it naturally. The golden rule for today is this: speak a little every single day, even if you make mistakes, even if it feels awkward, because speaking is the only way this skill grows. Section number 2, why someday never comes. Let's talk about something very honest for a moment. Many people say, I will start speaking English once my grammar is perfect. Or I will speak once I learn more vocabulary. Or I will practice once I have more time. My dear friend, let me tell you the truth. That perfect moment never comes. Grammar will never feel 100% perfect. Vocabulary will never feel complete. Even native English speakers keep learning new words their entire lives. The people who become fluent are not the people who wait for the perfect moment. They are the people who start speaking today, this week, this month. They start with whatever level they currently have. So if you have been waiting for the right time to start speaking, this is it. Today is that day. Section number 3, the secret formula. See, say, use. See, say, use. Now let's get into the actual secret, the formula that makes daily English speaking possible, even for a busy person. I call this formula see, say, use. Step number 1, see. Every day, spend just 10 to 15 minutes watching or listening to English content. This could be a short YouTube video, a short scan for a movie or cartoon, or a podcast episode. This step trains your ears to recognize English sounds, rhythm, and natural pronunciation. Step number 2, say. From whatever you watched or listened to, pick 5 to 10 new words or sentences and say them out loud. Yes, out loud. Even if you are alone in your room, there is no shame in that. For example, if you hear the sentence, I am planning my day, repeat it clearly. I am planning my day. I am planning my day. I am planning my day. Saying it out loud activates your speaking muscles in your way that silent reading never can. Step number 3. Now take that same sentence and actually use it in your real life. If you're planning your day, say to yourself or a friend, I am planning my day. I have 3 things to do. When you combine seeing, saying, and using every single day, your brain starts connecting English words to real actions and real moments in your life. That connection is exactly what creates fluency. Section number 4, 5 practical daily habits. Now let's get very practical. Here are 5 simple habits you can start today. Habit number 1, talk to yourself. Let's clear any confusion here. Talking to yourself in English is a powerful tool. It is one of the most underrated tools for fluency. When you wake up, say, today I will wake up early and start my day with energy. When you are cooking, say, I am cooking rice for lunch today. This habit keeps your speaking muscle This habit keeps your speaking muscles active all day long, and you don't even need another person to be present. Habit number 2, 1 word, 1 day. Yes, 1 word, 1 day. Learn just 1 new English word every single day. Just 1. Use it in a sentence, in speech, or in writing. Habit number 3, mirror practice. Stand in front of a mirror for 5 minutes every day and speak English. Talk about your day, your plans, your goals, any topic you like. This habit gives you 2 powerful benefits. 1, it builds real speaking confidence. And 2, it helps you notice your own facial expressions and body language while speaking. Habit number 4, write first, then speak. Before going to bed, write 3 or 4 lines in English about your day. Then read those lines out loud, clearly and slowly. Writing and speaking together strengthen both your grammar and your pronunciation at the same time. Habit number 5, the friend challenge. Make a deal with Make a deal with a friend or family member. Every time you meet, speak only in English for at least 10 minutes. Now let's talk about something very important and very honest. The single biggest obstacle that stops people from speaking English is not grammar. It is not vocabulary. It is fear. Specifically, the fear of making mistakes. People think if I speak wrong, people will laugh at me. But here is a reality check. Every single person who speaks English fluently today was once a beginner who made mistakes. Nobody, absolutely nobody, spoke perfectly on day 1. Mistakes are not a sign of failure. They are proof that you are actually learning. So starting today, make this promise to yourself: I will make mistakes, but I will never stop speaking. This one mindset shift will move you forward faster than any grammar book ever could. Alright, here is your day 2 challenge. Before you sleep, stand in front of a mirror and speak in English for 2 full minutes about yourself. Talk about your name, your work or your studies, and your hobbies. Then come back to the comment section and write day 2 complete. This small step keeps you accountable, and it tells all of us in this community support and motivate each other. So to sum up today's lesson, speaking English is a skill, and like any skill, it grows only through small, daily, consistent practice. Remember the formula: see, say, use. And remember the 5 daily habits: self-talk, 1 word, 1 day, mirror practice, write then speak, and the friend challenge. If this video helped you even a little, please hit that like button, subscribe to channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a single day of this challenge. I will see you tomorrow for day 3, where we build directly on everything you learned today. Until then, keep practicing, keep speaking. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.